Nothing's more frustrating than turning on your Hisense Roku TV and seeing a black screen, even when the power light is on or you can still hear sound. In this video, I'll show you every safe and simple fix you can try at home to get your screen working again. Let's start with a full power reset, which often solves this issue. Unplug your TV from the wall and leave it unplugged for 5 minutes. While it's unplugged, find the physical power button on the TV and press and hold it for 30 seconds. This drains any leftover power and clears common software glitches. After that, plug the TV back directly into the wall, avoid power strips, and press the physical power button to turn it on. This step alone can solve the black screen for many users. Next, we'll check whether external devices or HDMI cables are causing the problem. Go to the back of the TV and unplug every HDMI cable and USB device, including streaming sticks and game consoles. Turn the TV on by itself and see if the screen lights up. If it does, start reconnecting your devices one at a time, checking the TV after each one. This will help you identify if a specific cable or device was causing the issue. Now let's make sure the TV is set to the correct input. Even if the TV is on, it won't show anything if it's set to the wrong HDMI port or a device that isn't sending a signal. Use your remote to cycle through input options like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or AV. If your TV has multiple HDMI ports, try another port and if possible, use a different HDMI cable. This simple check often fixes the black screen problem immediately. If the screen still remains black, we can try a soft reset using your Roku remote. Press the home button 5 times, then press the up button once, rewind 2 times, and fast forward 2 times. After entering this sequence, give your TV a moment to respond or restart on its own. This refreshes the TV's software without affecting your settings and can clear glitches causing the black screen. Finally, let's test the backlight to make sure it isn't the cause. Turn on your TV even if the screen stays black. Then shine a flashlight close to the screen and move it around. If you can see faint images, it means the backlight isn't working properly, and your TV will need professional repair. This test only confirms the issue. It won't fix it, but it's a useful way to understand what's happening without opening the TV. That's it for this video on safely fixing the black screen on your Hisense Roku TV. I hope these steps helped you get your screen back. If they did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Did one of these steps work for you, or do you still have questions? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.